Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm going to be doing a little studio vlog and just bringing you with me to see what I get up to during the week. And I've got loads of stuff I need to get done this week, so I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you in a second. So first of all, I just got this package, which is my new scanner, because a couple of days ago my scanner just stopped working and it's a really old scanner, so I wasn't able to get excuse me, I wasn't able to get a new lead, so I just ordered a new scanner. So I'm just going to open this and then set it up. So I just wanted to quickly come back and show you the scanner that I have. I honestly have no idea if this scanner is even going to be good, and I don't have any tips for choosing a scanner, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it's Epsom, and Epsom is really good, so I'm hoping that this scanner is going to be decent. Yeah, so I'm going to plug it all in and try to scan my new drawing and see how it works. So first I needed to scan in this piece to make some prints, so that's what I'm going to be doing now with my new scanner. Yay! And I will let you know how it goes. So everything's scanned and looks perfect, so now what I'm going to do is a test print. So I'm going to do a test A3 print and see how it comes out. Fingers crossed. As you guys can see, the test print is not right. I don't know why, but it's come out really pink. So I need to figure out what I can do to get it to look more like the original, which is here, because at the moment it looks like this. So I'm going to do another test with some adjustments and see what happens. you.